You know what R.D. Burman or Sauravi Burma has done for Tripura? No politician has done. What a Baichung Bhutia has done, or a Virat Kohli or a Sachin Tendulkar has done for India, I don't think any politician has done. So it is very important in the next few years for us to produce world-class sport people so that we get a sense of pride. China became a global superpower not only on business but by doing so well in Olympics. So I think sports, again, is one way we can promote. And finally, look at this festival which is happening here. I think our food is one of the best foods ever. And I think next month also I will speak, and if we can have a festival where people from Karnataka can come and taste our food. You know, soft power is very important. Soft power, like Bollywood, has made India big, not necessarily Vishwaguru. I think American culture, their Hollywood, their food, their music was the soft power which influenced the whole world. So our soft power is in sports, our food, our culture, our dances, and if we can, our costumes, if we can promote soft power outside Northeast, I think we will get a lot more traction and employment as well. So I think these are the areas that we have been successful, but I don't think we should rest in our laurels. We are still young. More has to be done, but it should be done after consultation with all the youngsters.